for each other. They should know that love has no color. Why does our race even matter? Why can't we just be together? There's so many people in our way. I know our life won't be easy, but I'll fight 'cause I'm here to stay. I won't stop 'cause I'm not afraid. But you know that I'm trying to make the world understand it. It kills me when I see you crying. They don't want us to be happy, they don't care. They all told me I'd be sorry, I'm not scared. I just wanna be with you. I can't walk this earth without you. Should've just left us alone, but it's too late and now you're gone. Now my world is getting cold. You should've listened to me. I never wanted to let you go. You left a hole inside my heart and soul, and now my story's been told. I had to let you go, baby.